number one trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there. So today I have some video lineup for you. First, me I go show on the Spice. Then Kaelan Mother with an update, and she's gonna be on Lava Chat and Laugh tonight at 9 p.m. So if you watch this after, you know, so you can find the live. You can go on Instagram and watch the live, or you can go on YouTube and watch back Lava Chat and Laugh live them, right? So this are for all future live also. This are not just Kaelan Mom. But, you know what I mean, after that now, we're going to finish up with Shaneil Muir with some new music and also some other music, right? So Spice look like she had tried out some new stuff, and she have a new thing on the Thanksgiving menu and a new look. Let's take a look at the video. Here goes.
Who is coming to my house for Thanksgiving dinner? God, this I got to come on my table. I'm going to ask you. Shark stew. What shark? Oh, I forgot to put on that color, yeah. Oh. You know, it'll give me a little purple in my roots. The filter give me a little. Watch out, give me. It pierced me. Oh, where they move my blood? What you say?
You don't want it, but you must say, I have to take out that stuff.
No, I'm not telling a lie. For some reason, I'm going to pierce right here, so all because of this filter. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's cute?
Don't want it, oh Lord.
So when you think about the look, when you think that would have fit Spice if she get her lip pierced like that, right? I don't know, put in the comment section and tell me what you feel about that. Now, as far as the shark meat go now, some Caribbean islands, they eat shark, right? I know it's not a common thing in Jamaica, but also Jamaicans, we consume chicken foot, and a lot of other people don't consume chicken foot. You see what I say? So it's a trade-off this or so. I'm not going to make no comment about the shark meat. If you like shark meat and you have it before, comment, you know what I mean, or tell me how you feel about the shark meat. I don't say much. Now let's take a look at this video from Kaelan's mom. Here goes.
Hi everybody. I want to say a big thank you to everyone of the Lava's fans and supporters who donated to Kaelan's little charity that Lava did. I appreciate you all. I am grateful. You know, every little bit counts, and it's you know, I'm happy that you guys reached out in such a great way. Kaelan is happy about it, and I thank you all. I'll give you guys an update tonight on Lava Chat and Laugh. I'll be there, so tune in. Remember to share the link and invite someone to watch, because I'll let you guys know what's going on now with Kaelan later tonight.
So you can tune in to Lava Live at 9 p.m. tonight. And if you miss it, you know, go back on YouTube and check on the Chat and Laugh channel. And him also post the live them on him Instagram page, so you probably can catch it that way. The only problem is you have to go skim through it and probably find VR part, because sometimes you have multiple guests on him show. So we just want to send some blessings to Kaelan. We don't know what is the situation as yet. She said she going to tell us tonight, but for right now we just send up some prayers. So, you know what I mean, big up Kaelan. Now people want to get into a new tune by our favorite artist. She been doing it, she been giving us freestyles, she been giving us a video. So the more she do them, the more me I post them. Here goes.
Alright. Yeah. I said say you lose respect for me. Coming like say you take me for gimmicks. They even know I walk one. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm. Can't they play with me pussy and I play with me heart? Wanna fuck who you want? I'm not even started yet, isn't it terribly? Oh, I'm not gonna get too much shade, huh? I said say you lose respect for me. Can't believe say you take me for gimmicks. They even know I walk one. Drop asleep in a love, I'ma never set me alarm. Can't they play with me pussy and I play with me heart? Wanna fuck who you want? If a pussy you want, you could have. And if you never want love, you shoulda talk. Play with me pussy and don't play with me, Go on and fuck who you want. If a pussy you want, you coulda ask. And if you never want love, why introduce me to your family and your friends when you only want to take between my legs, nobody phone? Stop.
You know, some think me know what going with the artist. The artist well excited about that tune. Yeah. She love it, but for some reason she don't want to give it the whole light. Me don't know what. Is either, you know, she has saved it for a special. Maybe it soon drop or something. But you know, a whole heap of tune she give away and we not hear the record them yet. So it look like she does the way ahead of the curve. You see what I mean? I say she have a bunch of music where she probably record and put on. So when them they touch road, you know, say a problem. And we're going to talk about one will look like it soon touch road because she sing it again, right? But people, Shaneil even impress her own self. She a meds and I say, oh, me make that song ya. Oh, me get them meds ya more time. And that is just when somebody passionate about what them do. You see what I mean? I say? So hear what she a say.
Me don't even know how I go on. Drop or sleep in a love, me never set me alarm, me never set my alarm. I'm like, God. Who do we tap them asleep? Look at me, I don't come up with them something sometimes. But I still got pre-certain things I say, me don't even know how I go on. Drop or sleep in a love, me never set me alarm. No, sir. Yo, but I know where my brain come from, more while in the dog, more while. Yo, me not go tell no lie, no. More while me sit down and write, you know. And my brain will freeze. You see me, I have some moment when as an artist and you write, your brain stuck. You don't know what to write, say. You see me? But me I tell us, you see, sometime when, you see me, your meds right, and you start for write, your meds right, and me I say, man, see it say you lose respect for me. Can't believe say you take me for gimmicks. Don't even know how I go on. Drop or sleep in a love and me never set me alarm. Yo! Wait, man. Yo. Me don't know where my brain come from. Well, I have to sit there and wonder like, yo.
So no here she explain the process. Yes, say sometimes she can't find no lyrics, but when she do find it, you know say a fire, right? And we don't know that, you know, because me just see video fly left, right, and center here tune left, right, and center. Like this are one of the artists with the most tune, recorded and unrecorded. Because if she have them and then a record, them can record. She have the rhythm for them, cause we hear she has sing them on some rhythm where and a rhythm where out a road already. So definitely a stuff where she work on and them a go touch road. But one thing me hear she say before she sing that one, she said, I can't wait for it drop. And a lot of people are wait on this, including myself. From we first hear she premiere it on live, right? Me I talk about the song Clickbait. I hope I clickbait it name. I don't see no other way for it name. But anyway, let's take a listen to the song again. Here goes.
Them want tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feel of them and want to do it there. So them judge you by your skin. But being black, I want my comfortable in. So, damn if you don't, damn if you don't. Them still a go talk all it and not provoke them. My life is an open book. I stand firm anywhere me put my foot, cause them I use my foot clickbait. And if you think your bad just make up, but I press button, I mean no make trouble. Me put God first, come a journey, a big fear. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. I be more private as a public figure, man not join in a lip race. But anybody this a quick case. Me a tell you, yo, good. True me no do me body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a party stuff a cook good. Well I know.
So me I look out for that one there from Shaneil Muir. I hope when it drop it just do the magic. You see what me I say? Because a hit song that already to me. Me don't know how everybody feel, but me think a hit song that. And we hear Shaneil Muir records them already. So and I like say she have problem with recording. Yamabella a big record. You see what me I say? 3D a big record. The one with Denique, that a big record. You see me? You all of them a big record. So me not see why this can be a big record also. So if you are not a fan yet, you know what I mean, get familiar, me I tell you no. The truth this. She is the truth. This is the real thing. Shaneil Muir for 2021. From 2020, I go over 2021. But people, you know what I mean, big up with yourself. That's the end of the video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.